Today we're going to review the Polk command bar because it's got some pretty cool tech inside. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys? Kris here from the Currier Network, and on this channel we do tech reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Let's get into the video. I wanted to improve on my sound setup for watching movies and games, but I didn't want to deal with the hassle of a full home theater system, running wires or paying for a wireless setup. This is why I bought the Polk command bar. At the price of $200 on Amazon, you're getting a soundbar with a 2.1 system. You'll have a right and a left channel. It has two mid-range speakers and two 1-inch tweeters for the high sound. It does come with a 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer that automatically syncs with the bar on setup. You can get over 100 decibels with this system. It's very loud. It has a full immersive sound. The app setup is very easy to use on your phone. Now let's talk about the one thing this soundbar has that I haven't seen in many others. The reason I bought it was because they put a Amazon Echo Dot in the middle of this soundbar. It's one of the main features of the device. It allows me to control all the smart tech I have in my house, from my lights to my Wi-Fi outlet. I have shutdown protocols. When I leave the house, I tell the Echo Dot that I'm shut down and all my lights turn off. My TV, my Xbox will turn off. I haven't found support for my PS4 yet for Amazon devices, but it makes life easy. Having a virtual assistant in your living room is extremely convenient. It allows you to do so many different things, accessing the internet through your voice, running timers, running alarms. We have routines in place for the Echo to do so many different things. That's worth its own video. It's a great piece of tech that makes the soundbar definitely worth the money, along with everything that you're getting. It's a very premium remote that came with this system. This soundbar does work like most soundbars, just as a Bluetooth speaker, if that's what you want to do. To find just the right fit for you. Using the Galaxy Buds, I found 6 hours of battery life, plus an additional Buds have a touch control interface on the side that can be configured in the Samsung Wear app. You can double tap the touch. What's the weather like?
Currently, in Pearl River, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies.
And that was my review of the Polk command bar. I want to thank you guys for subscribing and supporting this channel. And I'll see you on the next one.